Hi, Tim Sharif, CEO and founder of 310 Nutrition. I'm here at our manufacturing facility in Salt Lake City, Utah, that is state-of-the-art and second to none to create the products that you enjoy and you trust. What separates 310 Shake from other products out there, first and foremost, is we care. We care about you. We care about our community. We cut no corners in making sure that your shake is created in the most pristine environment. This is a GMP certified facility that goes the extra mile to make sure that what you're getting is what's promised, and that is the best quality available. The ingredients that we source and we put in our shake are exactly what we want for you and what you want for you, which are the highest quality ingredients. We do use the best formulators possible, the best flavorists that create the amazing flavors that we have in a natural product, the best manufacturing process known, because that's what we're most proud about, is the quality of our products, the most safe, healthy product that's going to help you with your goals.